Hi everyone, today I will show you how to implement the not found or 404 page. So here you can see on top I put it as /contact. So /contact, this page doesn't exist at all, and that's why you see this message right here, 404 not found. The page you're looking for does not exist. Or I can just change to something else, let's say like nothing, right? It still show me this message unless the page does exist, let's say the about page, and then it will just show me the information about the about page. Or when I go to home page, this is the result that I see. Welcome to React app, and this is the home page. So let's see how to implement the not found page. Okay, so this is the code. I use the React Router DOM library, and this is version 6. So you will now see using the browser router, routes, and also route here. So down here we have the component. Basically we have three components. One is home, second is about, and this is not found. So let's have a look at the home component. So this is very simple, right? You just have the information about the home page just to show the text, and the same for the about. We also have this as well, the same format. And finally, this is the not found page. So the not found page is basically similar to these two. We just need to edit the text saying that it's not found, right? Nothing is different from these two components. What different is right here. So here, if you notice, you can see the home component, the path is last and nothing is behind it. So meaning this is the home page. And down here we have the about. This is last about. And finally, this one right here, the not found component, we are using the asterisk. We are using the star sign, meaning that any other pages that don't exist on this React application. So we use the asterisk right here. And now let's just go and see again. Okay, so let's just put random text, and it still show me this page, the not found page. So yep, that is very simple how you can implement just using the route path equal to asterisk and pointing to the component page, right? And you can edit the text, anything that you want, you can enter it here. Yep, that's a very simple method how you can implement the not found using React Router DOM.